The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. The Free State Department of Health allegedly awarded Emergency Medical Service EMS contracts worth u-532 million to companies late to Uthapelo Buthelezi. Let's go back asibuyele emuva. Who is Uthapelo Buthelezi? He is a businessman who created ama-conglomerates, and he dominated the industry of emergency transport services. Understand ukuthi he created Ibuthelezi EMS, Ibuthelezi One Stop EMS, Ibuthelezi One Stop Emergency Med, Ibuthelezi EMS. And these companies were involved in ambulance and inter-facility transport services. This is what I'm talking about, Laba. You know them. You know them because it's not just available in the Free State. We also have them in Gauteng. We also have them in KZN. This is a big company. Inter-facility EMS means transporting patients from one hospital to another, from clinics to hospital for specialized treatment or emergency transport. And Uthapelo partnered with the Department of Health. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama, and let's follow the money because imali ayiwaqamba amanga. Imani never lies. Thapelo Buthelezi was awarded a tender worth 532,789,770 and 12 cents. Understand ukuthi when we follow the money and break it down, 305 million was awarded to Ibuthelezi EMS. 182.2 million was awarded with BEMS, and 40,600,000 was awarded to Ibuthelezi One Stop Emergency Med, and 4,700,000 was awarded to Ibuthelezi One. And that is when the problem started. That is when the problems began. That is the exact point when inkinga started. The tenders were irregular. That means procurement rules may have not been followed. Contracts may have not been legally awarded. And the processes may have been bypassed. Allegedly. So, a tribunal that works hand in hand with the SIU called Ubuthelezi to court. Understand ukuthi the special tribunal ruled against the companies. The tribunal declared ukuthi the tenders were unlawful, set aside the contracts, ordered the recovery of funds. Kumele abuyise imali. That's when they started taking everything. They started taking everything. Everything. House number 1, house number 2, gone, gone. House number 3, house number 4, gone, gone. They froze all his assets. They took everything that belongs to him because they feared ukuthi money may disappear, assets may be hidden, properties may be transferred, wealth may be moved before recovery. Understand ukuthi they freezing everything. That means ukuthi they preventing him from selling, mortgaging, or transferring ownership.